Good morning, guys. Looks like SPXL is gapping up. A lot of strength. I covered most of it before the close. Had a small profit. And I still have about less than half. Not anymore. Daily broker reminder? Yeah, thanks. Thank you very much. Oh, it is one day off. Thanks, man. I didn't even see that. Thanks. Wait. Am I... Where is yesterday? Is this yesterday? That is yesterday. And then, well... Oh, okay. Damn, this X is straight up from the breakout 2 days ago. If it had gone sideways a bit more, I would have been interested in it. Damn. Well, I did catch CLF though. And I got this PRPO and PTX yesterday. Those were big trades. I still have a tiny bit of PRPO and most of my PTX. These were big ones. Or well, together they were actually pretty decent, and I didn't have full size on either of them. I had like half size on both of them. Could have been like yesterday. Could have been a pretty big day if I caught B and TX. That would have been a pretty decent day, but I'm getting sloppy, man. things are so slow, you get lazy, and then when things turn up, you're not quick enough to adapt. Fucking boomer. David knows. David knows the feeling. You just woke up shortly before market open? Be right back. I'm gonna get a knock on. And today I don't really see much to do again. I wish I had caught the oil names last week when they bounced off the Rising 100 or the oil ETFs. But one thing I'm getting excited about is this TNA. It's not going away. Look at how it's building higher lows. It's violently building higher lows and building this range. There is something about it. This thing could go big if it maybe goes next week. Alright guys, good luck. Zillow is right on the 200 day. Actually bounced off the 200 day today. Or yesterday. But still looks like shit. And the solars are all dying here. One by one they're dying. ETCG. Yeah, oh yeah, that's a good setup. Yeah, day 3 on an extended run. Yep, that's a good setup. Just like ETHE yesterday. Or actually, this is better than ETHE. Man, why? so thin. Yeah, but ETH did have a nice fade. It would have been better if it had one more update. But this ETCG, this is something, if I had small account, man, that's something I would be all over. All over. This is the most profitable day trading setup playing out in real time. And what's the most profitable day trading setup? Well, you would know if you had followed the instructions on the screen. If you have followed the instructions on the screen. This is playing out in real time. This is how I made my first million, these types of setups. Why would I wait for a retest of VWAP? Where do you get that from? Guys, you really need to, follow the instructions on the screen and really absorb the content there. There's like free money type of content right here. The Holy Grail. Maybe that's what I should do. I should name it the Holy Grail. Then everyone will follow the link. OPRX. They report tomorrow. That's the problem. If you can break out on earnings, yeah, it's a nice setup. It's been surfing the 100-day, getting tighter, higher lows. A nice range building, yeah. Not bad. But they have earnings tomorrow. If they can break out on earnings, could be a nice one. I'm down to 3 positions. Haven't had this few in a while. This silver is still holding up after the Yellen comments. Still kinda holding up. If I were you, well, you're not me. And with that type of, like... And also, there's still this COVID thingy going on. Not a great time to travel. Again, Follow the instructions on the screen, guys. It's like, it's all answered here, guys. Position sizing, risk, it's all answered here. Just need to put in a little bit of effort. Give me $1 million, I'll travel for you. Okay, so let's say you go on vacation, you tune out the markets. Are they gonna call you up and tell you and tell you when the market's gonna get good again? Like, the only reason I'm trading from home right now is because of COVID. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna travel. I'm gonna bring my laptop and only trade for a little bit, since I don't really need to watch the markets much anyways. Man, this earnings season, oh. Last earnings season was pretty bad. This is just dead. Well, the last earnings season kind of coincided with the market topping out and all the growth stocks and speculation money kind of topping out. And this is just dead, man. ETCG is now testing VWAP again, and if it fails here, there could be a potential re-entry for if you miss the opening range lows. What's Ethereum doing right now? Kind of holding up. Can something happen in the markets? Some action. And the SPYs reclaiming the 20-day. I thought we were gonna have a nice pullback, but nope. Instead we reclaimed and we're back to this slow grind with very few, like obviously steel names are strong, but outside of that, there's just nothing going on. Yeah, tomorrow there's gonna today after hours there's gonna be an insane amount of earnings, and tomorrow pre-market, like an insane amount. I think tomorrow is the heaviest earnings day of the earnings season. But I don't have very high hopes, to be honest. What? Oh. Let's see. Because there is not much going on. Wow, PRPO volume is dead. I still have about a quarter of my position, and I had half size to begin with. Man, I should have been more aggressive. But I was thinking, I had like $1 stop, more than $1 stop, and I had like 300,000 shares around that $8 area. I wanted it to pop to low, back to low 8s or something to add more, but it never popped there. So I never got full size. Should have been more aggressive. Hey guys, do you think people will actually start following the link? If I put it this way, a little bit self-interest in there. I know you fucks. Now you're gonna follow it. No. Oh god. You can't click it? I know. That's why people are not following it. Oh yeah, trillions. Oh. I just need to update my Twitch link too. All right. I think I updated it now. You guys are hilarious. I know, I'm gonna attract the David Portnoy crowd. It's true. Hey, BTX, come on, get down to the 10-day. What are you doing? Get down. This DQ is one of the few solar-related names that's actually holding up. Even EMPH has lost its uptrend. That was really strong before. Oh shit, this thing is going. Oh wait, is this a good looking breakout? It is, but it's... Gotta buy these things near the moving averages. Especially commodity related names. It's so hard to buy breakouts on those things. Why aren't there more commodity names, liquid commodity names out there? One that I missed was this Veil. This was nice and liquid, but I kind of passed on it. Tesla. It's a no man's land right now. Yeah, potentially higher low. But it's kind of all over the place. Also, the financial ETFs are still interesting. They're still flagging here. SQM. Oh, it is. Oh, ALB, I got shaken out of it yesterday. I just sold it. Damn it. Shouldn't have. It's true. SQM is coming back. You know what? I'm gonna rebuy ALB and just pretend I never sold it. It was a mistake. I shouldn't have sold it yesterday. I just wanted to get rid of. It looked like everything was gonna break down, but then it didn't. Square. Yeah, it looks. It's a no man's land right now. Should I pretend I never sold this thing? Just rebuy it a little bit higher? No. Can't do that. Or well, I guess I can. But I won't. ALB today? Oh, after the close. Yeah, after. All right, I'll check it out. Maybe I'll rebuy tomorrow after earnings. It's not really a great setup, but the whole sector is holding up. Yeah, you're right. The lithium sector is not looking great. Dum dum dum. Da, 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 da. Good looking one. Yeah, it's an oil gas name. Looks good. A little bit too high to buy it now, I guess, but it's already up more than its ADR. Futu is looking good. Man, all of these positions are so small. Can we get something I can buy enormous size on? Only thing remotely good that's also something that's liquid is TNA. We can go sideways a bit more, make, you know, get back in this range. Or it is in its range, but you know, if we can go sideways a bit more and then break out again, I'm gonna go big on this thing. This looking good. Look at how nice it's surfing the 20 weekly. This is a 5-star. 5-star looking chart. Looks like ETCG lost VWAP again. Let's see if we can have another leg down to like low 50s or something. GME. Don't really see anything here. Set an alert. AMC all the way back. Carvana keeps coming. Oh, it has earnings tomorrow. Okay, maybe if we can break up on earnings from this wide range. No, don't go now. Fuck. Don't go now. IBIO. It's one of these scammy names. It's just a scam biotech company. Can make big moves sometimes. But yeah, I mean, these micro cap biotechs, they've been working, especially if it's COVID related, they've been working fairly well lately. Like this OCGN, VXRT. Isn't BTX also one of them? Don't remember. PRPO is another COVID related micro nano cap. Yeah, that's true. Scams could be the best. I mean, look, it can make a big move. Possibly. Not really my cup of tea. Or in this case, my sip of Nocco. Yeah, I did kind of miss the oil entries last week. This X-Up, I was even watching this thing. Oh well. Oh, another steel name. An ADR, MT. There's a bunch of ADR steel the stocks. And Vale too, I guess it's steel, not sure. No, I think Vale is steel. Dun, 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 dun. Why did I go with SQM? Because it looks great. And I'm bored. It's a strong sector. And you know, if there was anything else going on, I wouldn't have done this thing. But there's nothing going on. I still think it could make a decent move. It's flagging nicely. Look at the weekly. It looks great. I also bought it here, but I got stopped out. But now it reset. Tried to break down, built another higher low, and now it's trying again. I mean, there's just so little going on. Very, very limited action. I mean, it's not like it's a bad setup. It's a great setup. Good setup. It's a strong sector. The only thing, it's a low ADR and a illiquid stock. So I'm kind of, you know, reaching down a little bit. Doing things I wouldn't do normally if there was a lot of things going on. The bad thing is if you start doing bad setups. That's not a good thing. cup and handle. What I see is a big flag. Alright guys, I'm gonna go do something else. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow. And also tomorrow I'm gonna go through a little bit. I went through my YouTube videos yesterday. There's a lot, and my Twitter. Like, I still get asked a lot of questions that I haven't necessarily answered on my blog, so I'll add those things to my blog. But I'm gonna go through them tomorrow on the stream, hopefully. There's like another 10, 15 questions that I'm gonna add, but I'm gonna go through them also. Alright guys, see you tomorrow.